Hey everyone, so my name is Jessica and thank you so much for clicking on my video. This is basically my little introduction to my channel. So welcome to Makeup with Jessica Vargas. I hope you take a few minutes out your day and just learn a little bit about my channel and that you would hit that subscribe button. It's free. So I am a beauty creator, beauty influencer, beauty lover, all wrapped in one, as I am a wife, a mother, and a daughter. I have an awesome husband, Mr. Mario, that is super supportive. I have 9 beautiful children and also my mom to take care of. So this is just a little insight of myself and sharing the passion that I absolutely love. So I do unboxings, get readies, makeup of the days, how-tos, learn with me, giveaways, friend mail, all of that. Anything to do with beauty, I'm all about. I also love showing support to other creators. So if you are a creator, make sure you leave a comment down below so I can show support to your channel as well. I think it takes a big community just to grow on this platform to get anywhere. And we have to unite with each other and uplift each other. I want to teach everybody that the beauty is within, not on the outside. It's not what you have on your face, it's what you carry in your soul and how you treat other people. I am very quirky, off the wall type of person. I'm very transparent. What you see is what you get. I like doing little funny little spur of the moments crazy stuff, and that's just me, all in a nutshell, and that's what you get. I hope that you walk away with either a smile or you learn something throughout one of my videos. If I achieved that from one person, then I achieved what I went for. I also want y'all to know it's never too late to learn something new. I learn something every day, and I'll be 34 Tuesday. So, you know, sit down, have fun with makeup. That's what I want to share to the world. It's never too late to just sit down and spread the love, support each other, uplift each other. You know, to make somebody else smile is the highlight. You can always smile, but to make somebody else smile is the goal. You never know what somebody else is going through. You never know what state of mind somebody else is in. So to share my happiness with somebody else, or just to let somebody know that I'm there, that's what I'm here for. So if this is a channel you would love to give a try out, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out. And share me out if you don't mind. I have a big old giveaway coming up when I hit 2K. We're really close. We're so far, but so close, guys. So close. And yeah, join the journey. Let's learn together, guys. Like, let's do it. Get to it. And you'll see a lot of this fan. Who doesn't want to see this fan? Just saying. I also go live periodically, and I would love to get to know each and every one of my new subscribers. So make sure you join one of my lives just to stop by and say hey and get to know the great community I have surrounding me, because this platform is what you're around. It is absolutely what you're around, and I absolutely adore everyone around me in my community, from my husband to my subscribers. Like, y'all are so supportive and so uplifting, and I'm just so grateful to have every one of y'all in my life, and I want to share the love with everybody. So I will see y'all in my next video.